come here. So it's my pleasure to come here and to share views with all of you. And I'm quite different from many industry, from the sister society, because my context is that as an entrepreneur that emerged in the context of non-Muslim community and non-Muslim industry is very hard and a lot of obstacles. You know, we Muslim we have around 7% out of the total population. So first we have the problem of capital. To begin in industry is very hard for us. Second is that the acceptance of halal food industry is still in the beginning of the journey. It's still a lot of long way to go. So we found this halal industry has been dominated by the non-Muslim in Thailand from a long time ago. So it's a good chance for me to be here to share views as a startup.
Thank you, Tirmizi. I mean, there was a point that I highlighted yesterday when we had the first session. I said, I didn't say we were born Muslim, but I said, halal toiban basically, us Asian, we are being complacent about halal. Halal to us is more exclusive than inclusive. You know, this is exactly what's happening in Thailand. You know, where the non-Muslim are controlling the halal economy of Thailand. Right? Why is this happening? Halal is a teaching of a religion called Islam. Kita orang Islam. So ini yang kita belajar. Kenapa orang bukan Islam yang lebih embrace halal daripada orang Islam? So I bluntly say, we are being very complacent. We take things for granted. We fail to see the benefit of halalan toiban. So, I will stop there. Saya dah cerita panjang lebar semalam sebenarnya dengan rakan saya Encik Ahmad dan Bron. So, this is happening. This is a fact. So, this is what we do in our Daus Advocate series. We do a reality check. We don't hide around the bushes. Kita tak membawang pasal orang. Kita tak point fingers. But we raise issues. We raise matters and see how we can move forward. That's why we have representatives from the government agencies. We have rep from the industry themselves, from startups, and this mic can be heard all the way sampai belakang tu. So apa yang kita bincangkan ni sebenarnya orang MITI, orang Matrix semua dengar ni. HDC ada booth kat sana. Entrepreneur daripada depan ni jual dia selling ibu sambal, cookies, sampai yang boleh tengok cakra badan kita pun semua boleh dengar apa kita bincangkan. So hopefully they will hear us while promoting their product, and we would actually benefit their presence today during Bihar. Thank you Tirmizi for the explanation, and next why don't